transmission inside this vehicle, and we told the customer, this is a Cadillac DTS, we told the customer that he had to get the brake lines fixed because they're all rusty on this one here. Now this car is back after we did the transmission. Because he had a leak somewhere. So as we go to see where the leak is, we had a chance to see something else. He got the brake lines, as you can see here, running right here, and then he went somewhere where they
compression fittings, and they should be using it.
Put compression fittings on the brake line, went underneath the frame.
Should be over.
With compression fittings here. Compression under, this is under the frame now, and going back over there. Where did they go? I don't know. If he hits a pothole or something is on the road, they're going to snatch his brake lines off because they're underneath the frame. So whoever he went to did something that's very dangerous. I mean, this is something I've never seen before this way. I'm sure you all have seen some stuff y'all can talk about.
Go get some used ones from Ridge.
It's leaking too, and they're leaking. Let's see here, it's a leak right on that compression fitting, whoever he had to do that. Now we know we didn't do this because these lines weren't like that. Weren't under the frame when we was taking the frame down.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is terrible. Terrible.
You'd be better off in case you get a flat.
We do have a leaking line here, but that's coming from that fitting, so we're gonna have to take care of the top fitting up there. You gotta be an O-ring. An O-ring that's leaking up there. So we're gonna have to take that out, then that'll be finished there.
What's the problem now?
See, it's hard to see that wetness. There it is.
I don't know where you're
It's leaking right there.
leaving them under these cars.
Alright, we'll handle that. But when it comes to the brake lines,
No, I got one hidden. That's mine. A black one.
that is dangerous.
Skull County.